Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with yet another project share. As you can see, I have been on a rosette kick pretty hard. And I used yet another pack of my Dollarstore stickers. Sorry, I'm just looking for the pack that I used today. It's this pack. So there's also some die cuts and other things, but I will show you. I kind of duplicated what I did yesterday just by doing some large tags and another large tag and a couple of medium tags and another medium tag, and also just some little page flags, these little toothpick embellishments. And then I got just kind of using all the little die cuts that some of the girls in my crafty group have been sending me. And a lot of these are things that started off as tags, as you can see, and then I wasn't happy with them. So I think adding the rosette helped. And just some Dollarstore snowflake bling. This one's the little glue strings. This one's a Dollarstore wood veneer. I love this little deer. This was a little set of polar bears that one of the girls sent me. And a tree and a little present that one of the girls sent me. Fussy cut. And just a random stamp from my stash. So all of these are going to get packaged up, and I thought I would show you what I'm still working with. I've got all of these die cuts. I made these as well. I haven't put any sentiments or anything on them, but in my mind, I'm thinking they're probably like bag toppers, and another bag topper, and another bag topper. Oh, somebody's sleeping. So yeah, I've got like oodles of little embellishments and stuff that I still have to work my way through, as well as a couple more sets of stickers. One of the other sets that I want to use, two of the other sets actually, are these little gnomes and these little critters. So stay tuned. Hopefully I will be getting all of this packaged up and ready, and I will catch you on the next video. As always, thanks for coming to hang out with me. Bye for now.